Foodwars. Welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will say how to stop tips adding as a product and now giving as an amount. So let's see about that how we talk. You can see here module Dev POS tips. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to POS site. Go to configuration menu and under the settings provided here option tips. Allow this option and configure here this product tips. Let's say now go to dashboard and continue checking from the furniture shop. Now add here any product like a long screen. Select customer like Anita. Do payment this. And when you try to payment, then display here this option tips. You can easily add here amount. Like I want to give 200 extra. Do confirm this and display here increase amount. And do validate this. And also display on receipt tips 200 and display total amount 530. Now go to your created order. Now open this and also add it here as an amount instead of this in line. So display here tips amount 200 and this product amount 320. So display here total amount 520. When you create invoice, then also display the tips amount 200. And printed PDF reporting also display tips. So using this our app, you can easily exclude tips as a product line level and add it as an amount. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.